Welcome back to the channel. So over here we have a bumper that's folded, came in folded. The one that's not folded is 3 times more expensive, so it's not a big difference. This is something you can do. It takes 4 to 5 hours to unfold it, either in the heat or using a heat gun. So this bumper is for that. Corolla down there, it's a 2010 Corolla. I think the same size can be used in a 2009 or 208 to 2013. So let's unfold it, and if we need to use a heat gun, we can also do it.
Trapped inside a dream. Could have sworn he used.
So depending on how it's packaged, you have to be careful with whatever you're using so you don't scratch it. Either way, you can still correct any damages, scratching or otherwise, by painting the bumper. So you can see how it's folded. We'll just unfold it slowly. These folded areas over here will completely unfold with direct contact with the sunlight. So we'll just leave it. It's a bit sunny outside, so we can leave it outside for now and give it a few hours, maybe 2, and depending on how it's progressing, we can decide whether to use the heat gun on the outside. So you just apply a heat gun on the outside on an upwards downwards motion. Don't have it on the same place. I will still illustrate that later. So we'll do the same to both sides, then fit it with the bumper that I took off the car.
Feeling all alone. Sat right there, oh so quiet, try to hide it if it moves.
So I'll just leave it out for now, give it a few hours, and then approximately 2 hours, and then come back, check it out, and decide on whether or not to use the heat gun. You can also use a blow dryer. A heat gun would be faster, so whichever works for you. So let's leave it for now, give it a few hours, then check it out. This is after about an hour. One side looks okay, so we'll just give this other side another hour and decide on the whether to use the heat gun or not. So as I said before, that one side is pretty much straight, but this other side would have to use the heat gun to try and get it unfolded. So here's the heat gun. So we'll just start with this part first and then this one later. So we have it pretty much unfolded. There you go. This was the side that wasn't folded, and this other side was a bit folded, and wasn't really a bit folded, it was completely folded. And as you can see, they all look the same right now. So that's how you do it. Just leave it out. If it's during summer, you can leave it out. It's going to unfold perfectly without the need of you using a heat gun. But during these cold months, just use a heat gun, use a blow dry. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos if you want to see how you can paint this and get it back on your car. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and watch out for the links in the description for other videos relating to the same. And as always, see you on the next one.